Hi, this video is about how to run a Ninjatrader platform on your desktop. Some basics of charts and what you need to prepare for the automated day trade strategies to be implemented to your Ninjatrader charts. First, I believe the videos that you watched previously about how to install Ninjatrader and how to connect data and everything. I'm just gonna skip that part for this video, but I'm gonna show you how it needs to be done to have the basics set up before you implement the strategies. Okay. After you install NinjaTrader platform on your desktop, there will be an icon on your desktop. You double click on that. Once it's done, and you'll be just sitting there patiently waiting for the platform to be loaded on your desktop. Now you see the platform has been loaded, and you will see that this is a pre-loaded chart that I have on this workspace. And there are lots of workspaces you can create, and by default, after you install the NinjaTrader, there will be default workspaces available. The rest is just your workspaces if you wanted to do lots of testing and some other things, but this is just by default you have. Now this is the control center. The first thing you need to connect to your data, and before you do that, you configure, and you go to available brokerage that you have on the window, and then basically the NinjaTrader brokerage is by default called NinjaTrader Continuum. All you need to do is select this brokerage, unless you have other brokerages that you wanted to connect, if you can find it on that list. See the eSignal, CTrader, Forex.com. These are very common. Interactive brokers also pretty good, and that NinjaTrader Continuum is the one that we've been using. So once we click on that, and you'll have Continuum right there. It says configured. By default, you click on once you double click on that, you'll have this on your configured window, but it's not configured yet, and you have to basically create a connection name. By default, it is my NinjaTrader Continuum. You can name it some other name that you like. Then use the username, the password that you were given by NinjaTrader brokerage after you have your account set up, approved, and funded. Funded means you have money deposited into your account for trading. Then they'll give you this information. All you have to do is just find it in your email and enter the username and the password. Leave all the boxes unchecked. Once you're done, click OK, and that's it. You will be seeing your connections under Connections, which is NinjaTrader Continuum. Okay, and you click on that, and you'll basically you'll basically establish the connections of data. And today's Saturday, usually the data center is not open, but sometimes it will, and just depends on the situation. So once I click on the NinjaTrader Continuum, it is open. Now to connect it, if you see green, that means your trading account is connected, and you have the account information displayed. It'll show you cash value, and also realized P&L means your positions are all closed. There's no carryover positions or whatever, and you have realized P&L. That is today's result. P means profit, L means loss. So profit and loss. If it's green, that means you made money. If it's red, means you lost money. A total P&L is a P&L, daily P&L added to the top of your account balance. So, anyways, once you have this connected, and then you can run a chart. This is a chart that I created previously. It's gold chart, and the chart is today market's closed, so the market's not moving, but the chart looks just like this. Green means up bar, red means down bars. This bar is called unit Renko bar, and this bar is customized bars for gold. Our strategy works on this bar type only. It's a price action bar. It's not time-based bar. Time-based bar has different bar sizes based on time. It means if you run a 1 minute bar, let's I'm gonna open the chart. Okay, you go to new. Let me do it again. Let's say you go to new and click on chart instrument. Remember, we select GC, which is gold, or ES, S&P, CL is the crude oil. Okay, let's say we select ES, and once ES, this is current contract that we're trading, which is March 2023. That's the expiration of this contract. So we're in February, we still trade this contract. Later on, it'll roll over to the next contract, which is 3 months from now. Now, on the right side is the properties of the chart, and price based on last. Type bar is unit rental bar. Okay, this is the bar. You can choose, let's say, unit rental is a price-based bar, a price action bar. And that's what you see right here. Then let's say the time-based bar, let's say we select the second bar, 30-second bar, okay? And we run 3-day data. And you close, and you click OK. Now, the bar is displayed, the chart is displayed. The bar type is 30 seconds. That's a time-based bar. Now you look at a time-based bar, each 30 seconds you'll form a bar. Within that 30 seconds, it could be a green bar, which is long, which is going up. Red means going down. But then in that 30 seconds, it could be just one order, one tick formed, or 2 ticks, or 3 ticks, or whatever, etc. But you have each bar, you have one bar printed every 30 seconds, no matter what the market condition is. So, but then you look at the time-based bar. It looks like this. Sometimes you have a huge bar. Basically, in that 30 seconds, there are lots of price actions happening. Like lots of price action happening. From here, open 4079 to close 4083. Right, that's 4 points of S&P 500. 4 points equals 4 times 4 equals 16 ticks, because each whole number point contains 4 ticks. On the ES pricing display, each tick is 0.25, basically a quarter of a point is a tick. Well, I guess it's kind of not easy to understand, but what I'm trying to show you is the time-based bars are based on each 30 seconds a print bar. So it looks all over the place, right? Up and but you can still see the trend here: downtrend, uptrend, and chop. Versus price-based bar, you see very clean trend. Clean trend. Clean trend means you can trade. You can short here and make money. Long here makes money. Long here makes money. Short here, long here. You see the trend. If you trade the trend, you're good, right? That's menu trade. Now there's a time-based bar for S&P 500. I just want to show you the difference between time-based bar and the price-based bar. We trade based on price-based bar, not time-based bar. So let's close this chart, and you have this price-based bar up and running. Now this is gold, and then you want to trade. I would just saw ES, and then there's a CL, which is crude oil. You click on that, you can do a 30-second time-based bar, like I showed you for the ES, and then you will see, oh, here we go. That is the time-based bar for oil, and it looks really, you have a trend, you can see it clearly once you make it very small. But then from this point on, the trend starts breaking up. And at this price, which is time is 12:48 Central Time, and all the way run up. So there's an uptrend, and then here chop. It looks simple, but in order to trade this type of chart, it's very difficult because it just has lots of gaps. Okay, we don't trade time-based bars at all, so that's crucial. Now, this is how it works. I mean, this is how it looks on the Ninjatrader charts. Now, there are lots of features you can use, but in the beginning, not necessary to understand all this. It's just a long road of education of Ninjatrader. But with our strategy, everything is automated, and you don't need to manual trade. Now, in order to implement our strategies, we'll show you in another video of each instrument setups for the strategies to work. Okay. Basically, there are only several steps you need to do. First, you need to import a this bar type, which is a Uniranko. We'll have the instructions of how to import bar types and how to import strategies and how to execute the strategies, how to enable it for trading. Okay, this video is about Ninjatrader, the chart, and all that. This is just pretty simple. You don't need to learn this chart trading, which is manual. You can buy, market, sell, and close, and all the stuff, and then set up ATM strategies. These are the educations that you might need to learn later on. But right now, our goal is to provide the automated strategies for the account to grow to the ideal amount that you want it to. Manual trading requires time and the patience, and very difficult, extremely difficult. If you're a robot, then it will not be that difficult. The strategy is a robot, but we don't call it a robot because that strategy has its own. Well, it is a robot. Technically, it just trades based on signals that it detects. But the signals the strategy involves formulas and algorithms, everything, all the calculations to find the entry signal for the robot to execute it. That's all. This video is about Ninjatrader, and now once you've set this chart up, then watch the next video that will show you how to implement it. All right. Thank you.